In today's video, I'm going to show you how to warp text in Adobe Express using the text warping add-on. To get started, open the Adobe Express project where you want to add your warped text. Then head over to the left-hand toolbar and click Add-ons. This is where you can bring extra tools into your design workspace. At the top of the Add-ons panel, use the search field to search for warp text. Give the results a moment to load, then find the add-on called Text Warping and select it to add it to Adobe Express. Quick side note, for more simple Adobe Express tutorials, subscribe to Ecom Control. Once the add-on has been installed, its controls will appear in a panel on the right side of the screen. Start by entering the words you want to warp in the first text field. From there, customize the look of your text before adding it to the canvas. You can choose a font, adjust the angle and depth, and select the text color or colors. These settings give you a starting style before you shape the text manually. Now look at the preview at the top of the right panel. You'll see handles around the text. Click and drag these handles to bend, stretch, and warp the text into the shape you want. Keep adjusting until the preview looks right for your design. When you're happy with the result, click Add to Design at the bottom of the right panel. The warped text will be placed into your Adobe Express project. And that's it. You've successfully warped text in Adobe Express.